Guys, how to use driver verifier manager on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Driver verifier manager is a utility of Windows 11 and 10 to check driver related issues exist in your. To run driver verifier manager, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command from Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and in command prompt Windows, execute the command verifier. Type simply verifier. Verifier and press enter. After pressing enter, a window will open. Driver verifier manager. Here various type of option you will show. Choose create. First option. And thereafter choose automatically select all drivers installed on this computer and click on finish. Restart this computer for the changes to take effect. Click on OK. Close the command prompt windows. The operations completed successfully. And don't forget to restart your system. Click on restart.